maybe you could get something out of it, how minimal it looks instead of having big tripods all over the place, right? So the first item that I'm gonna show you is this monopod. Skinny light stand that has never existed before. Normally, it looks like this, right? It's a lot bigger than this one and it's kind of bulky, it stands out. But check out this stand. It's like a modern looking lamp and it's such a cool design. Now, it's not portable because it doesn't fold up into skinny a monopod for you to carry around. You can carry it around if you really want to. To me, it's really meant for you to have a permanent station like how I have in my loft, so that I have a YouTube office anytime I'm ready to go and I could just leave it and not pack it away because it looks nice. You could use it as a tripod, you could use it as a light stand, a mic stand. You twist, make it tall, twist it tight. And this is kind of neat. On the top, there's a little hook. My iFootage video light, the power adapter, I just have it hooked up right on top. The weight isn't too bad. It's got a nice fabric on the bottom, so it's not gonna scratch the floor. It's got a silicone protection on the side. You just screw it on, simple as that. Very nice finish. Of course, it comes with an adapter, so that way you could put a video light like that. Boom. And just to show you the balance of it, look how far it can go. I mean, look at that. And it forces it to go back to the middle. It's not too heavy, but just the right amount of weight to make it sturdy as possible. So you could definitely check out their website and shop around and look for some cool accessories from iFootage. Highly recommend it. I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.